Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing things a little differently. We're not giving away money, we're showing you how to make it. We're diving deep into the world of AI and uncovering the top free tools that can help you get rich in 2024. We're talking about game-changing tools that can automate your hustle, boost your creativity, and explode your income. You don't want to miss this. Let's get started.
First up, we've got ChatGPT, the AI language model that's taking the internet by storm. This thing is insane. Imagine having a personal wordsmith on call 24/7, crafting killer content, writing captivating social media posts, and even generating creative business ideas. ChatGPT can do all that and more. Need to write a blog post that ranks? ChatGPT's got you covered. Want to create engaging scripts for your YouTube videos? ChatGPT can handle it. This tool is a game changer for anyone looking to make money online, and the best part, it's completely free to use.
Next up, we've got Canva, the ultimate design tool for non-designers. This platform makes it crazy easy to create stunning graphics, social media posts, even entire presentations, all for free. Think about it. You can design eye-catching thumbnails for your YouTube videos, create professional-looking logos for your business, or even design merch to sell to your audience. Canva gives you the power to create high-quality designs that attract customers and boost your brand. And who wouldn't want that? It's like having a personal design team at your fingertips without the hefty price tag.
Chapter 3: Google Analytics. Unlock the secrets to online success. Now, let's talk about Google Analytics, the secret weapon for understanding your audience and optimizing your online presence. Whether you're a small business owner, a blogger, or running a large e-commerce site, Google Analytics is an indispensable tool that can provide you with invaluable insights. This free tool gives you a deep dive into your website traffic, showing you where your visitors are coming from, what they're interested in, and how they're interacting with your content. Imagine being able to see the exact path a user takes through your site, from the moment they land on your homepage to the point they make a purchase or leave. With Google Analytics, you can track user behavior in real time, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that can significantly improve your website's performance. You can see which pages are performing well and which ones need improvement. You can even set up goals to track specific actions, like form submissions or product purchases. This information is pure gold. By understanding your audience's behavior, you can create more engaging content that keeps them coming back for more. You can identify which topics resonate most with your audience and focus your efforts on creating similar content. You can use it to tailor your content to your audience's interests, ensuring that every piece of content you publish is relevant and valuable. This not only helps in retaining your existing audience, but also attracts new visitors to your site. Optimize your website for conversions by identifying and fixing any bottlenecks in the user journey. For instance, if you notice that a significant number of users are dropping off at a particular page, you can investigate and make necessary changes to improve the user experience and ultimately make more money. By continuously analyzing and optimizing your website, you can increase your conversion rates and boost your revenue. Google Analytics provides you with the data you need to make informed decisions that can lead to substantial financial gains. It's like having a team of data scientists working behind the scenes to help you succeed online. With Google Analytics, you have the power to transform your website into a high-performing, revenue-generating machine. So, start exploring the endless possibilities that Google Analytics offers and unlock the secrets to online success today.
Chapter 4: Trello. Organize your way to productivity and profits. Let's be real. Staying organized is key to getting things done, and that's where Trello comes in. Trello is not just another app. It's a game changer in the world of project management. This free project management tool helps you keep track of your tasks, collaborate with others, and stay on top of your game. Imagine having a digital board where you can pin all your tasks, set deadlines, and even assign them to team members. It's like having a virtual office space that you can access anytime, anywhere. Whether you're managing a team, launching a new product, or just trying to keep your life in order, Trello can help you stay focused and productive. You can create different boards for different projects, use lists to categorize tasks, and cards to detail each task. Plus, with features like labels, due dates, and checklists, you can ensure nothing falls through the cracks. And when you're productive, you're more likely to hit your goals and make those big bucks. Trello's visual approach makes it easy to see what needs to be done at a glance, helping you prioritize and tackle tasks efficiently. The more organized you are, the more you can achieve, and the more profitable your endeavors become. It's like having a personal assistant, keeping you on track and motivated. Trello sends you reminders, allows you to set up recurring tasks, and even integrates with other tools like Slack, Google Drive, and more. This means you can streamline your workflow and keep all your important information in one place. The mobile app ensures you can stay organized on the go, receiving notifications and updates in real time. Whether you're in a meeting, traveling, or just away from your desk, Trello keeps you connected and in control. Trello's flexibility makes it suitable for any type of project, big or small. From personal to professional, it adapts to your needs. You can customize your boards with backgrounds, stickers, and more to make them visually appealing and fun to use. So if you're looking to boost your productivity and profits, give Trello a try. It's a powerful tool that can transform the way you work, helping you stay organized, focused, and on top of your game. With Trello, the path to success is just a board away.
Chapter 5. MailChimp Email Your Way to a Fortune. Last but not least, we've got MailChimp, the email marketing powerhouse that can help you reach a massive audience and turn subscribers into loyal customers. MailChimp is a versatile tool that caters to businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large enterprises. Its user-friendly interface and robust features make it an essential asset for anyone looking to leverage email marketing effectively. With MailChimp, you can create professional-looking email campaigns that capture your audience's attention. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates, allowing you to design emails that reflect your brand's identity. You can also automate your email sequences, ensuring that your messages reach the right people at the right time without any manual effort. And that's not all. MailChimp provides comprehensive analytics that help you track your results all in one place. You can monitor open rates, click-through rates, and other key metrics to understand how your campaigns are performing. This data-driven approach enables you to make informed decisions and optimize your email marketing strategy for better results. Whether you're promoting your products, sharing valuable content, or building relationships with your audience, MailChimp has got you covered. The platform's segmentation and personalization features allow you to tailor your messages to different audience segments, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Imagine sending out newsletters that your audience looks forward to reading. With MailChimp, you can create engaging content that resonates with your subscribers, keeping them informed and connected to your brand. The mobile-friendly design ensures that your emails look great on any device, making it easy for your audience to engage with your content on the go. MailChimp's suite of tools is designed to simplify your email marketing efforts. From A/B testing to advanced reporting, the platform offers everything you need to run successful campaigns. You can experiment with different subject lines, content, and send times to see what works best for your audience. And the best part, it's free to get started. MailChimp offers a free plan that includes all the essential features you need to kickstart your email marketing journey. As your business grows, you can upgrade to a paid plan to access even more advanced features and capabilities. So, what are you waiting for? Take the first step towards building a successful email marketing strategy with MailChimp. The platform's intuitive design and powerful features make it easy for anyone to get started, regardless of their experience level. Start building your email list and watch your income soar. With MailChimp, you have the tools and resources to turn your email marketing efforts into a profitable venture. Don't miss out on the opportunity to connect with your audience and grow your business. Sign up for MailChimp today and start your journey towards email marketing success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try out. These free AI tools are changing the game, giving everyone the power to create, innovate, and succeed. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there and make your fortune today. See you in the next video.